JFF vote in Congress now on the horizon, with the incumbent Michael Ricketts facing a serious challenge from fellow insider Raymond Anderson, the tone of President Ricketts seemed not too bullish. He's sounding almost like, if I lose and whomever is president in December and blah, blah, blah. Mr. Ricketts don't sound very confident, does he? This is an example. Listen to Mr. Ricketts talking about the challenge. Listen.
I mean, I will face a challenge. I mean, let's see what will happen. Elections will be announced soon. What I want to ask is that we be respectful in our campaigning, and we just want to not try and put anybody down, campaign as much as you want, but be very respectful in doing so. I just want to be humble, I want to be respectful, and I just hope my work will do my campaigning.
You see what I mean? Anyway, that very same quiet and unassuming style has worked for Mr. Ricketts in the past. The question is, will it work again and again and again and forever? Amen.